Mint Linux, more accurately known as Linux Mint, is a popular desktop-focused Linux distribution designed to be simple, elegant, and comfortable, especially for users coming from Windows or Mac OS. To understand Linux Mint properly, it helps to first understand what Linux itself is. Linux is not a single operating system in the traditional sense, but rather a kernel, which is the core piece of software that manages hardware resources like the CPU, memory, storage, and devices. Around this kernel, developers build complete operating systems called distributions or distros by adding system libraries, package managers, desktop environments, applications, and configuration tools. Linux Mint is one such distribution, built with a strong focus on usability, stability, and a polished desktop experience. Linux Mint was first released in 2006 and has steadily grown in popularity over the years. Its creator, Clement Lefebvre, aimed to build a system that just works out of the box. At a time when many Linux distributions required significant technical knowledge to set up multimedia codecs, drivers, and basic desktop features, Linux Mint tried to remove those pain points. From its early versions, Mint included support for proprietary codecs and drivers, making it easier to play music, watch videos, and connect to common hardware without additional configuration. This philosophy of convenience has remained central to Linux Mint's identity. One of the most important aspects of Linux Mint is that it is based on Ubuntu, which itself is based on Debian. This means that Linux Mint inherits the stability, security updates, and massive software repositories of Debian and Ubuntu. Because of this, Mint users have access to tens of thousands of software packages through a well-established package management system. At the same time, Linux Mint makes its own design and usability decisions, sometimes diverging from Ubuntu when the Mint developers believe it improves the user experience. A well-known example of this was Mint's decision to move away from Ubuntu's Unity desktop and develop its own desktop environment called Cinnamon. Linux Mint is available in several editions, each defined by the desktop environment it uses. The most popular edition is Cinnamon, which is developed primarily by the Linux Mint team themselves. Cinnamon provides a traditional desktop layout with a panel at the bottom, a menu button in the corner, system tray icons, and a task switcher. This layout feels immediately familiar to users coming from Windows, which is one reason Mint is often recommended as a beginner-friendly Linux distribution. Cinnamon is visually polished, supports modern features like animations and effects, and is highly customizable without being overwhelming. Another edition of Linux Mint uses the Mate desktop environment. Mate is a continuation of the classic GNOME 2 desktop, which was widely used before GNOME 3 introduced a radically different interface. Mate is lighter on system resources than Cinnamon, and appeals to users who prefer a more traditional, no-frills desktop. It runs well on older hardware and emphasizes stability and simplicity over flashy visuals. For users with low-end or aging computers, Mate can be an excellent choice. The third official edition uses the XFCE desktop environment. XFCE is known for being fast and lightweight, using minimal system resources while still providing a complete desktop experience. Linux Mint XFCE is often recommended for very old computers or for users who want maximum performance and responsiveness. While XFCE is less visually elaborate than Cinnamon, Linux Mint customizes it with themes and tools that make it look modern and cohesive. Beyond these additions, Linux Mint also has a Debian-based variant called LMDE, which stands for Linux Mint Debian Edition. Unlike the standard editions that rely on Ubuntu as their base, LMDE is built directly on Debian. The purpose of LMDE is partly strategic, ensuring that Linux Mint could continue independently if Ubuntu were to change in ways that conflict with Mint's goals. LMDE is generally recommended for more experienced users, but it shares the same desktop environments and overall philosophy as the Ubuntu-based editions. When it comes to installation, Linux Mint is designed to be approachable even for people who have never installed an operating system before. The installer is graphical and guided, offering clear steps for language selection, keyboard layout, time zone, and user account creation. Users can choose to install Mint alongside another operating system, such as Windows, or erase the disk and use Mint exclusively. The installer also supports advanced partitioning options for users who want more control. In most cases, Linux Mint detects hardware automatically and installs the necessary drivers during or shortly after installation. Once installed, Linux Mint presents a clean and welcoming desktop, The system tray includes common utilities like network management, volume control, and system updates. One of Mint's strengths is its set of custom tools designed to simplify system management. The Update Manager, for example, provides a user-friendly way to install security updates and software updates. Unlike some other distributions that encourage immediate installation of all updates, Mint's Update Manager categorizes updates by stability and risk, giving users more information and control. The Software Manager is another key component of Linux Mint. It provides a graphical interface for browsing, installing, and removing applications. Instead of requiring users to learn command line package management right away, the Software Manager allows searching by category, popularity, or keyword. Each application page includes screenshots, descriptions, and user reviews, making it easier for beginners to understand what they are installing. Under the hood, the Software Manager uses the same package management system as Ubuntu, primarily based on apt-and-deb packages. Linux Mint also includes TimeShift, a system snapshot tool that allows users to create restore points. TimeShift can take snapshots of system files and settings, enabling users to roll back the system to a previous state if something goes wrong after an update or configuration change. This feature adds an extra layer of safety, particularly for new users who may worry about breaking their system. While TimeShift is not a full backup solution for personal files, it is extremely useful for system recovery. Another area where Linux Mint shines is multimedia support. From the first boot, most common audio and video formats work without additional setup. Codecs for MP3, MP4, AVI, and other formats are typically included or easily enabled during installation. This is a significant advantage over distributions that avoid proprietary software by default, which can lead to confusion for new users when media files fail to play. Hardware support in Linux Mint is generally strong thanks to its Ubuntu base. Many drivers are included in the Linux kernel itself, meaning hardware like keyboards, mice, printers, and network adapters often work immediately. For proprietary drivers, such as NVIDIA graphics drivers or certain Wi-Fi chipsets, Mint includes a driver manager tool. This tool scans the system and recommends appropriate drivers, allowing users to install them with a few clicks, rather than manually downloading and configuring files. In terms of performance, Linux Mint is known for being efficient and responsive. While Cinnamon requires more resources than Mate or XFCE, it still runs comfortably on most modern systems. Linux Mint avoids heavy background services and unnecessary system overhead, which contributes to a smooth user experience. Many users report that Linux Mint feels faster than Windows on the same hardware, especially on older machines. Security is another important topic when discussing Linux Mint. Like most Linux distributions, Mint benefits from Linux's permission-based security model, where users do not run applications with administrative privileges by default. This reduces the risk of malware causing system-wide damage. Software is typically installed from trusted repositories rather than random websites, which further improves security. While Linux is not immune to malware, the overall risk is lower compared to more widely targeted platforms. Linux Mint also places a strong emphasis on long-term stability. Each major release is supported for several years, receiving security updates and bug fixes throughout its lifecycle. This makes Mint suitable for users who prefer not to upgrade frequently. Point releases provide incremental improvements without dramatically changing the system, ensuring a consistent experience over time. Customization is another area where Linux Mint excels. Users can easily change themes, icons, window borders, fonts, and desktop layouts through graphical settings panels. Cinnamon, in particular, offers extensive customization options, including desklets, applets, and extensions. Desklets are small desktop widgets like clocks or system monitors. Applets add functionality to the panel, and extensions modify how the desktop behaves. These features allow users to tailor their environment without needing deep technical knowledge. For productivity, Linux Mint comes with a well-chosen set of pre-installed applications. These typically include a web browser, email client, file manager, media player, text editor, and Office suite. The default Office suite is LibreOffice, which provides compatibility with Microsoft Office formats. While some users prefer to install alternatives, the default selection is sufficient for most everyday tasks. The file system layout in Linux Mint follows standard Linux conventions. The root directory contains system files, while user files are stored in a home directory. This separation makes it easier to back up personal data and reduces the risk of accidental system damage. Linux Mint's File Manager provides an intuitive way to browse files, access network locations, and manage external drives. Command line usage in Linux Mint is optional but available. Advanced users can use the terminal to perform powerful operations, install software, and automate tasks. However, Mint does not force beginners to rely on the command line. Most common tasks can be performed through graphical tools, making the learning curve gentler. Community support is a major strength of Linux Mint. The official forums, documentation, and community blogs provide answers to common questions and solutions to problems. Because Mint is widely used, many issues have already been discussed and resolved by other users. This makes troubleshooting easier, especially for newcomers. Linux Mint is often recommended as a replacement for Windows, particularly for users whose hardware is no longer supported by newer versions of Windows. It can breathe new life into older computers while providing a modern and capable operating system. At the same time, Mint is not limited to beginners. Many experienced Linux users choose Mint for its balance of stability, usability, and flexibility. Despite its many strengths, Linux Mint is not without criticism. Some users feel that it is too conservative or slow to adopt new technologies. Others prefer distributions that emphasize minimalism or cutting-edge software. However, these criticisms are largely a matter of preference. Linux Mint's deliberate approach to change is exactly what many users appreciate, especially those who value reliability over novelty. In professional and educational contexts, Linux Mint can be used for programming, system administration, content creation, and general office work. Development tools, programming languages, and frameworks are readily available through the repositories. While Mint is not typically marketed as an enterprise distribution, it is perfectly capable of supporting serious work. Another important aspect of Linux Mint is its commitment to user freedom while remaining practical. Although Mint includes proprietary components when necessary for usability, it still respects open source principles and allows users to choose fully open source alternatives if they prefer. This balanced approach appeals to users who want both ethical software practices and a smooth user experience. Over the years, Linux Mint has built a reputation for being one of the most user-friendly Linux distributions available. Its consistent design, thoughtful tools, and focus on everyday usability make it an excellent choice for a wide range of users. Whether someone is completely new to Linux or simply looking for a reliable and pleasant desktop operating system, Linux Mint offers a compelling option. In summary, Linux Mint is a polished, stable, and accessible Linux distribution that prioritizes ease of use without sacrificing power or flexibility. Built on a strong foundation, supported by an active community, and guided by a clear philosophy, it continues to be one of the most popular choices in the Linux ecosystem. By combining modern features with a familiar desktop experience, Linux Mint bridges the gap between traditional operating systems and the open-source world, making Linux more approachable for everyone.